Welcome to the Settings menu tutorial. This is Ashley
and Chaz
with the VGS dev team. This tutorial will walk you through the Settings menu option. To access the Settings menu on the toolbar, select Setup, then Settings. The Settings menu has three tabs: General, Dialect, and Reporting. Under the General tab is a procedural timer. VGS automatically defaults to have this timer off. If turned on, it allows you to record the date and elapsed duration while the event is open. If the procedural timer is on, the results are auto-populated in the event notes and will be displayed in the notes section of the event report.
You can select a light or dark theme for certain windows. This theme only applies to the Settings menu, GPS module, Random Number Generator, Surveys, and Survey Creator. Dark theme is not recommended for field use when collecting survey data in direct sunlight. If you have created a custom common name list, alternate category name list, or species category list, you can select these lists as the default for field input and reporting. You can also select the default coordinate system format for all displayed coordinates in VGS.
The species image root folder can be selected for your personal species images. Please contact the VGS dev team for how to set up species images. The Dialect tab is currently a work in progress and will be used in the future for alternate language preferences. The Reporting tab allows you to import a preferred header and footer logo that will be displayed on all survey reports. Future updates to VGS will also include selecting a logo header and footer options for sampling reports.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.